Cameroon is a country located in Central Africa. It is bordered by Nigeria to the west, Chad to the northeast, the Central African Republic to the east, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, and the Republic of the Congo to the south, and the Gulf of Guinea to the southwest. The capital city is Yaoundé, and the largest city is Douala. Economy. Cameroon has one of the most diversified economies in Central Africa. Its economy is based on agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and services. The country is known for its production of oil, cocoa, coffee, timber, and natural gas. It is also a major exporter of agricultural products. Other industries include food processing, textiles, cement, and aluminum production. However, despite its resources, Cameroon faces challenges such as inadequate infrastructure, corruption, and political instability. Education. The education system in Cameroon follows a 6-3-3-4 structure, consisting of 6 years of primary education, 3 years of lower secondary education, 3 years of upper secondary education, and 4 years of tertiary education. Primary education is compulsory and free, but access and quality of education remain significant challenges, particularly in rural areas. There are several universities and institutions of higher learning in Cameroon, including the University of Yaoundé, the University of Douala, and the University of Bia. History. Cameroon has a rich and complex history. The region was inhabited by various ethnic groups long before European colonization. The coastal areas were visited by Portuguese explorers in the late 15th century and later became a German protectorate in the late 19th century. After World War I, Cameroon was divided between France and Britain as League of Nations mandates. The French administered the larger part, while the British controlled a smaller portion. Cameroon gained independence from France on January 1, 1960, and from Britain on October 1, 1961. Amadou Ahidjo became the first president of Cameroon and served until 1982 when he was succeeded by Paul Biya, who remains in power to this day. Cameroon has faced some political challenges, including separatist movements in certain regions, such as the Anglophone crisis in the northwest and southwest regions. Overall, Cameroon is a diverse country with a rich cultural heritage and natural resources, but it continues to grapple with social, economic, and political issues as it strives for development and stability. In conclusion, Cameroon is a country located in Central Africa with a diverse economy, a complex history, and a challenging educational landscape. Its economy relies on agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and services, with key exports including oil, cocoa, coffee, timber, and natural gas. The education system faces obstacles in terms of accessibility and quality, particularly in rural areas. Cameroon's history involves colonization by both France and Britain, gaining independence in the early 1960s, and the subsequent presidency of Amadou Ahidjo and Paul Biya. The country has faced political challenges, including separatist movements in certain regions. Despite its challenges, Cameroon remains a culturally rich and resourceful country, striving for development and stability. Continued efforts are needed to address issues such as infrastructure, corruption, and political instability to foster economic growth and improve the quality of life for its population. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you found the content informative and entertaining. Creating content for this channel has been a passion of mine, and I appreciate all of your support and engagement. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave a comment or send me a message. I am always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to my audience. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and I hope this channel has inspired you to continue your quest for knowledge. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.